This is a what's in the box video for Drop It, a 2 to 4 player dropping game. I guess kind of like Connect 4, but different. So here is the rules, pretty simple, like 2 pages. Here is, I guess there's one plastic dropping piece. It's kind of hard to see, but it's, you drop your tiles into it. There is the Drop It scoring board, which is surprisingly thick cardboard. Different markers, it looks like. Some things to insert on the sides here, on the, basically insert these on the side of the plastic board. And then all of the Drop It plastic pieces and circles, and a stand. So overall, pretty good quality. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe. Thank you.